Hey, are you starting your video call right now? Because the lighting is terrible.
And that's when Sean realized that his lighting sucked. Introducing Lume Cube, lighting for video calls. Show up to your next video call looking sharp and ready to close that deal, land that job, or make a great first impression. Don't be this guy. Don't be Sean.
Oof.
No matter where you are working, look your absolute best. You can mount directly to your device or use the tabletop stand for your desired look. There's an LED panel on the back that displays your light settings and battery life. Change the color temperature or brightness to look your best in any environment. There you go, Sean.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Wow, looking good, Sean.
Thank you.
Lume Cube lights up your face with an even light source that clears up any starky shadows and prevents you from being backlit. Work from anywhere and look good doing it. Head to lumecube.com to shop video conference lighting today. What would Sean do? He would not head to lumecube.com, and that's why you're better than Sean.